Hi, I'm Neil of Teen Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at places around the town. Let's check it out. So this Places Around the Town PowerPoint lesson is aimed for higher grades of primary and elementary schools in China. We first introduce places around town and see if they can tell me different places that they know, and then we start going into the vocab. So I'm going to introduce street. I'll basically say that the street is where people walk and road is where cars go. So I can point to the street and I can point to the road and ask the students, is that a street? And just to clarify that it isn't. And then a house. House is a difficult one because a lot of the time in Asia, people don't live in houses, they live in apartments. So I do introduce the word house as it's in the curriculum, but I generally tend to refer to where they live as home, because that can be applied to anywhere. And then we start talking about school, and when I'm introducing these different places, I'm asking the students what they can do there and what they can do at these different places. And then we start going through just a quick comprehension checking sort of game where they've got a multiple choice and they have to look at the picture and decide, what place this is, and they've got 3 choices to do that from. And then we go into a maze game. So how this works is you've got a variety of stores and kids, and this particular kid is going to the pet shop. So who is going to the pet shops, and the students have to follow the lines and decide which one is the correct one.
Fantastic!
After going through that sort of logic game, we then start to introduce a little bit more vocabulary in the way of structures. So we're saying my home is on Green Street, my home is on Park Street, Brown Street, etc. And then we're starting to introduce places near the home. So if we introduce one place, there is, so is for one, and when I'm talking about 2 or more, I say there are, and remember to do the S. Then we're going to go into doing a video, and then from back from that, I usually have like a giant map that I can put up on the screen, and there's also maps in the students' books, and from there we can talk about what are the actual places near the home or near my home and stuff, and I can put them in groups and use their individual maps to do that sort of exercise. There's also a Halloween game as well, where they have to navigate the house to go for trick-or-treating, and I'll put a link to that in the box below as well. If you enjoyed that video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and remember to check out the link below to download the PowerPoint lesson. Bye bye.